You good? Oh, okay. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rimhauer Amir, and I am here with Hell Let Loose. Alright, let's cut to the chase. Look at my face. We all know that I had an intro for this video, but I ain't gonna put it in because this game had me disappointed. I ain't gonna lie. So if you enjoyed any part of this video, just leave a like, subscribe. You know, it's free. It helped me out, but let's get into it. This is a shooting game, so y'all get to see me with the
Okay.
We're just gonna get into it. I don't even care. I'm a shooter. I'm a shooter. I'm not a shooter. Why am I so far from? Get in line, soldier. Come on. Like, you over here in the back being scary. Get me in the action, man. Get me in the mix. I'm ready to shoot. I'm ready to kill. I'm ready to do all of it. I'm that man. They deployed at me, man. I'm coming. Oh yeah, I'm spawning right on enemy lines. Soldiers, look at me. We're gonna have to fight in this war.
Huh?
Oh yeah, got him in the air. I got him in the area. Don't know why I shot at it. You good? You good? Oh, okay. What the? Yeah, what did he just do? Just punch that nigga in the back. Some more running later. It's a harsh battle. A harsh battle? I couldn't be no soldier. I would get everybody killed. I would be hiding behind every. Oh my god! Why? Nope. Get me into the action. What'd I say? 20 seconds! This game killing me already. It's killing me already. It's just a lot of destruction. What? Who? Some more running later. We have entered enemy grounds. It's time to make peace. Some more goddamn running later. Where is everybody? Like, is they over near us? This game ought to be a whole lot of running.
Yeah.
Oh my god! This is not no horror game. That it just. What's good? You know what you're supposed to be doing? He don't know what he doing. Alright. That joint just scared the freak out of me. With a capital F. I'm here. I'm here, karate chop. Oh, we getting low? Oh, never mind. Oh, where they at? My fault. That's on me. That's on me. We good. But I'm staying alive. I ain't even do anything. Oh, who he see? Where? Huh? Oh, they up there with it. Okay. Karate chop. What? Yo! Yo! He ain't shooting at none. We don't even have an enemy. We ain't fighting nobody. This war is we fighting ourselves. Oh my. I can't keep running. I can't do it. I'll take the 20 seconds. I'll take the 20. Nope. That's my teammate. god, how do I get over? Oh, yes, sir. Help! Help! You just don't... Help! Ooh! Nobody's gonna help me up.
Copernicus.
Ah! Oh my god! They are ruthless in this war. He just got laid out. And we lost. Nah. Forget y'all this song. Forget it all. I'm done. Bye. And then they gonna play this happy old music like I got a kill or something. I ain't get no kill. Don't talk to me no more.